Yesterday I called my friend, I told him, yo, what's up? You coming to Bali? And he said, whoa, what's happened? Is the borders open or something? I said, no, the borders are not open. They are still closed. There are still no tourist visa, but the offshore visa is open. So if you're gonna pay like a 5-8 million for the visa, let's say business visa, and another 8 million maybe for quarantine in Jakarta, and then another 12-13 million for the flight ticket. He's from Europe. And you can come here to Bali. And then he said, Damian, that's great, but are you fucking crazy? Do you think I'm gonna come to Bali, pay a lot of money, spending quarantine and walking with the mask on the beach in Sanur? Are you fucking crazy? And he said, better I go to Zanzibar or somewhere and just no vaccine, no nothing, no quarantine, no mask, no nothing, no problem. Why I should come to Bali? And that was actually deep for me, because this guy, that's my very good friend. He watched my YouTube since the beginning, since the very first video on this channel. I'm not offended, mate. However, why somebody have to come to Bali if other countries, they are free to go? And I was just thinking that's somehow true. Anyway, this is just the newest update. Like 2 days ago, as the offshore visa is open again. This is actually nothing new. It was exactly last year the same. The only difference is, as the last year you didn't need to have any visa, vaccine or quarantine was only 5 days. Now it's 8 days, and you need to have a vaccine, fully vaccinated, to come to Bali. But if somebody is very desperate, you really need to come to Bali because of, I don't know, you have a partner, because you have a girlfriend, boyfriend, or something like that, you can come to Bali. But it's not that easy, and it's not that cheap. Anyway, quick update. Still no visa on arrival. Still no Bali, Phuket, Sandbox, or anything like this. Still you need quarantine, vaccine, and a lot of money to come to Bali just for the visa and other requirements. Okay, I will show you a little bit of the Sanur today, but starting from the different part of Sanur. Here is just the nice background to make the intro. Enjoy, guys. There is a little bit of the positive image as people playing volleyball, happy, cycling around, hello, hi, and everybody are happy. At least that look like. So that's the something positive today. It's changing something. More places are opening up, so that's really good. And we're heading into Besakih area, Besakih Hotel in Sanur, and that's the still Hyatt. I really like this alley. It's very peaceful, and usually so many people and doggos around here. I think this lady is feeding doggos in Sanur. Yes, she's feeding. She's the good person. Here a little image of the newest hotel in Sanur, the Andas, and it's quiet, but it's nice. So many people driving and cycling around. It's still middle of the week, which is really great. Like to see. Yo, what's up?
Hello.
He had a very nice hairstyle. Very nice area of Sanur in general, and some kids also around, and some people walking around, and some people running around, and doggos. That's how it looks like. And also here some youngsters. Yo, what's up? How you doing? If you wonder what is over here in this area of Sanur, usually they are private villas here. Many expats owning the villas here, or renting villas in this area. It's also huge land for everyone who looking for villa with a huge land for doggos or something. I think this is the good area for you. All right, here is the local beach access, and it's quite busy. This is the way when you go from Cafe Smorgas to the beach, but mostly this beach is famous for the local people, satay and corn. Grilled corn, also so many kites, and the local stalls, so you can buy drink or pop mee. If you don't know, pop mee is like an instant noodle, very famous in Indonesia. Alright, so this is the area of Villa Shanti. That's quite famous and legendary place in Sanur, at least used to be a long time ago, because it's currently sadly closed. The same like Gria Santrian, what I think is the same owners in the same land. Here is the Gria Santrian area, also unfortunately closed, as you can see, and the security wearing like a pechalang outfit because there are some people making pictures here, so that's how it looks like I mentioned last time. They are closed, sadly, and this is the same lady all the time, running very fast, very ambitious. Here Besaki Hotel and the kid. Yo, what's up? The Saki Hotel seems open. It's open, there are some guests. It's strong sun, but there are some guests. Legendary hotel called Tanjung Sari. Loads of stories around. Yo, what's up? And it's actually quite busy and very nice. We had a coffee last time here, so. And also here, another famous place, the only one proper beach club. It was the Art Hotel Beach Club. Unfortunately, well, I don't need to describe. This is closed, and nobody knows when will be open again. If will be open anywhere again in the near future, unfortunately. Sand Beach Club, also here. In general, I forgot to mention at the beginning, this is the live band, as this is the idea of renew the offshore visa, but still suspend the tourist visa is to plans of the government to recover a little bit of the economy of Indonesia, obviously. So that's how it's look like. Also private villas here, and at the front quite famous place through the local and tourist expats living in Sanur, so on the beach. And here is slightly more life around. Look like, yo doggo. So this is the Sindu Beach area, definitely much more local. More north is more local, so quite many people even during the weekday. That's actually optimistic. Alright, behind me is the Grand Inna Hotel, and in the past 2 weeks I made quite many videos from Sanur area. In general, I cover all of the area of Sanur, what is the most famous, most popular, including my neighborhood. So comment below what do you think, and comment below if you would like to come to Bali, if you're gonna come to Bali in the near future using the maybe business visa or something like that. I'm very curious. I'm happy to having radler or coffee with you. Just let me know, comment below. Meanwhile, that's it from me from today, and see you tomorrow as always. See ya, take care guys.